Hey guys, what's up? I made a new wallet, and it's called the Tuxedo Wallet. There it is. You just open it up like that. This is just tucked in this little spot right here. You can just take it out. And there is a credit card slot up here. And then the billfold is right here. And I just fold my bills and put it in there, because it's too small. See? And then put it in there. Shut either side you want, whatever side that has the Velcro. You put Velcro on it. And then there you go. I think it turned out pretty good. So yeah. Thank you guys for watching. If I might make a tutorial on how to make it. So yeah.